In a vibrant and colorful forest, there lived a small bird named Mila. Mila had always dreamed of flying high above the trees, reaching the very top of the sky. Every night, she would perch herself on a branch and gaze up at the twinkling stars, imagining the world from way up high. But Mila had a secret. She was terribly afraid of heights. She would flutter nervously whenever she tried to fly even a little higher than usual. One sunny day, as Mila was talking to her friends, a whisper of wind told a different tale. Dark clouds started to gather in the sky, and the once cheerful chirps of the forest animals turned into hushed murmurs. The wind howled, and thunder roared, creating a symphony of nature's fury. Mila's heart pounded faster and faster as she huddled under a broad leaf, her tiny body trembling. The storm grew stronger, shaking the trees and shrouding the forest in a veil of rain. Just when it seemed like the storm would never end, a magical cloud, shimmering with ethereal light, appeared before Mila. With a voice as soft as a lullaby, the cloud whispered, "Do not be afraid, Mila. Courage lies within you." Mila looked up, her eyes wide with wonder. The cloud's glow wrapped around her like a warm hug, filling her with a newfound strength. "I will help you," the cloud promised. "But you must take the first step." Summoning all her bravery, Mila spread her wings. The storm seemed to pause, as if holding its breath. With a gentle push from the magical cloud, Mila took flight. She closed her eyes at first, but the warmth of the cloud's light guided her higher and higher. When she finally opened her eyes, she saw a world she had never imagined. Below her, the forest was a patchwork of green and gold, and above her, the sky stretched wide and limitless. Uplifting music filled the air as Mila soared above the trees, her heart soaring even higher. She twirled and danced among the clouds, laughter bubbling from her beak. Mila had conquered her fear, and in doing so, found the true joy of flying. As the sun dipped into the horizon, casting a soft glow over the forest, Mila landed gracefully on her favorite branch. She looked down at the forest below, now so small, and then up at the endless sky. "What makes you brave?" she chirped, inviting all her friends and the audience to ponder and share their own stories of courage. And from that day on, Mila's story became a beacon of bravery for all the forest creatures and beyond.